Welcome to another Decipher Tools tutorial. Today's tutorial video will show you how to save iPhone text messages as a PDF on your computer. While we're running today's tutorial on a Mac, this also works on any Windows computer. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. In order to save iPhone text messages to your computer as a PDF, there are three things you'll need. Number one, an iPhone or an iPad. Number two, a Mac or Windows computer. Number three, Decipher TextMessage, the desktop software program that lets you save and print your iPhone text messages as a PDF. We're going to keep today's tutorial short and to the point. Let's get started. Step 1. Back up your iPhone on your computer. In order to save and print your iPhone text messages as a PDF, you need to make a backup of your iPhone on your Windows or Mac computer. If you're on a Mac, you can back up via the Finder. If you're on a Windows computer, you still back up via iTunes. There is also a helpful text-only backup option in the menu of Decipher TextMessage. This enables any Windows or Mac user to back up only their text messages and attachments and not their entire iPhone. This is helpful if you're concerned that you don't have enough free hard drive space on your computer to back up your entire iOS device. To install Decipher TextMessage on your computer, navigate in your web browser to deciphertools.com. Scroll down and select Decipher TextMessage. On the Decipher TextMessage product page, you can click Try for Free. Here on the download page, you can select Download to install the software on your computer. Since we're running today's demo on a Mac, the download option automatically defaults for Mac. However, if you're on a Windows computer, the download option will default for Windows. Step 2. Open Decipher TextMessage on your computer. Navigate to the Applications folder on your Windows or Mac computer and double-click on the Decipher TextMessage icon to launch the software. When you open Decipher TextMessage, you'll immediately see your iPhone or iPad in the left-hand column of the program. If you don't, make sure you've backed up your device on your computer. Step 3. Select an iPhone. After selecting your iPhone, you'll see all your contacts appear in the middle column of the program. Step 4. Choose any contact that has text messages you want to save to your computer. After selecting a contact, you'll see all the text messages with that individual in the far right-hand column of the program. The free trial of Decipher TextMessage will let you see, save, and print a few text messages from each of your contacts. That way you can get a good feel for the program and whether it's right for your needs. If it is, and you want to save or export all your messages with a contact, you can upgrade to the paid version and you'll be sent a license code to unlock the full version of the software. Step 5. Choose Export, Current Conversation, PDF. Today we're saving the text messages to the desktop. You can now open the exported PDF of your text messages and you'll see all your messages with that contact in the program. Note that the contact info, timestamp, and date is on every single text message. This is a unique feature to Decipher TextMessage. Step 6. Select Print in your PDF viewer to print out your iPhone text messages as a PDF on your computer. One additional quick tip that you might find helpful: if you don't want to export all your text messages with a specific contact, you can narrow down the export range by choosing Export Current Conversation PDF Date Range. This will enable you to only export the dates and times of messages that you need and not all your conversations with that specific contact. Lastly, when you run Decipher TextMessage on your computer, all your text message data is private and local on your PC or Mac. You control everything. We hope that today's short Decipher Tools tutorial about how to save and print iPhone text messages on your computer as a PDF has been helpful. If you have any questions or need product support, simply contact us via our website at deciphertools.com. You can also read testimonials from Decipher TextMessage users from around the world who have used the software to save and print their iPhone text messages as a PDF.